Yo, what's up guys, it's CT Cakes. Today we're going to be restoring some Ultra Boost 3.0s from 2017. Let's get into it.
Alright, so first we're going to take out the laces.
Yeah.
As you can see, Rejuvenator, soft bristle brush.
Alright, we got the laces on now. First thing we're going to do is here. This is
Angela's
Easy
shoe cleaner.
Yeah, we use this to clean our shoes. But we put the water in this Rejuvenator collapsible bowl. We're going to take Angela's soap, pour a little bit in.
And to clean the uppers, we're going to use the Rejuvenator soft bristle brush.
Also, you want to take our Rejuvenator or any like shoe tree and put it in the shoe so you can apply more pressure to the uppers.
Easier to clean. You can put more force.
Alright.
Let's get into it.
I like using the soft bristle brush first. It just loosens the dirt and everything. Make it easier to clean after. And unfortunately, since the shoe is mainly like prime knit or fly knit, whatever you want to call it, when you put it in the washing machine, it'll take out all the dirt that's stuck under the layers of the shoe. After this, gonna hit the midsole, hit everything on the shoe, soft liners, sole, and then we're gonna put them in the washing machine, get all the dirt out that we possibly can. You want to clean every part of the shoe, like literally every part.
Get it nice and icy again.
We're going to be linking all the products that we're using in this video down below.
And our Instagram page, CT Cakes.
Yeah, we'll leave our Instagrams down below.
You can see more of our work.
When you're working on a material like this, you don't want to wash it too much by your hand, because it'll just put the dirt even more into the material and it'll be harder to get out. So just do like 2 once-overs with it on the uppers and you should be fine. So
another good way to get out the dirt is circles.
Yeah, circular motion is the best way to get dirt out. And then move on to the medium bristle brush.
By Rejuvenator.
Use this for the midsoles. Boost in this case.
We're still using the Angela's Easy Cleaner.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna use the
hard bristle brush.
Yeah,
hard bristle brush for the soles. Alright, now let's wipe down the shoe.
We got some curb on the ground. Stepped on some hot curb. That's why this is stuck here.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll be able to get that out. The curb is too tight. Wipe that out. The curb part, that was pretty good.
Soles look a lot more white. We're gonna hit up here a little bit more, down here a little bit more, and then we're gonna clean up the shoelaces, maybe hit the uppers once more, and then throw them in the washing machine. hit the uppers one more time. Make sure y'all get the sock liner too, especially if you bought a beat up shoe. You never know like what viruses or anything is in the shoe from the previous owner. So make sure you always get that. The washing machine will take care of a lot of that, but you just want to get the shoe as clean as possible. Can't be walking around with dirty kicks. Feel me?
Or dirty ankles.
Yeah. Take your socks out your shoe and then it's just brown.
Gross. Gross.
Alright, that's good enough.
Alright, we're gonna put them in the washer. We'll be back. Yeah.
Take the shoe, put it in the washing machine. Get your soap. Or shoe soap, you know. Pour in like 3/4 of an ounce. Pour it. A little bit more. Then close it. I like to put a little bit of whitening too. Sand lifter box. Do that. Close it. Cut in normal, cold, medium spin, and normal, and then that. Alright, we're back from the washing machine. You can obviously see that this shoe has a lot less dinginess to it. This is a lot more gray. This is a lot more white. One way that you can get it even more white is putting it in the washing machine one more time. Or you can add some GAC 900. It's a fabric medium to some white Angelus paint and just paint over it. It'll make a decent difference, nothing gigantic though.
Once again, we'll be linking all the products we use in this video.
In the description.
How you can get them.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a oil-based white Sharpie that you can get at Michael's or like any art craft store. And basically what it does is you go over the midsole with it, and since it's like oil-based, it sinks into the boost, so it makes the boost just more white. So now I'm gonna get into that now. Alright, so this is what it's looking like now. It's a little bit whiter compared to this. We'll see some better. Now, if you actually want to get this decently whiter, I like to do to this color because if you do one more coat, it just looks too white, and that's not how Ultra Boost looks when it's dead stock. So if you want to do one coat all around, so this is after and this is before. So decent difference. I don't know if it shows on the camera that well. This is a better before and after. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna finish going all the way around the boost, and we'll be back then. So we're done painting the boost. Once again, it is oil based, so it's water resistant. We're gonna spray it with this matte finish anyways, just to give it that extra protection layer, and then spray it with some Crep Protect to make sure there's literally nothing can touch it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the little parts that I might have gotten on the bottom of the soles that I want to get up so it looks like factory. I'm gonna take acetone with cotton swabs, and I'm just gonna go around to the parts that I've messed up, take it out with acetone, and then after that I'm gonna go onto the cages, and I'm gonna take the Sharpie marks, and I'm gonna take acetone again and just wipe it off, and that'll be the end of the video. So I'm gonna do that now. Alright, that's it. I finished the touch-ups. I forgot to mention, I'm also gonna go in and on these plastic parts right here, there's some scuffs. So I'm gonna try and take them out with acetone and then a cotton swabs. I don't know where they are. So I'll just use cotton. I'll just use these to do that. So I'm gonna do that now. Now, if your plastic part is yellow, don't acetone it and then paint over it. You want to actually acetone it and then get like a plastic adhesion spray and spray it and then paint it, so the paint will adhere right to the material, or else it'll just wipe right off when you're using it. Alright, so plastic parts look a lot better. Little to no scuffs. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go outside, spray this on matte finish, and spray the inside with some refrigerated deodorizer, and then lace these up. And make sure when you're spraying this stuff, the matte finish, that you're spraying it outside, because if you spray it inside, this is very flammable and it stinks like really badly. So just do. And you should be good. Alright, now we're ready to lace them up. Oh wait, I forgot to spray them. Remember, should made a deodorizer. All the stuff we use is going to be in the description, so. And then spray them with crap. Okay, that should be good. You don't need to use a lot of crap. Crap's really good about that. So now we should lace them up and we'll be done. And that's the shoe. This is before, dingy, you know, yellow boost, scuffs, and this is after. You know, the cage is still yellow, but again, if you want to paint that, just use plastic adhesion and acetone to paint it, and it should be fine. A lot less dingy. You know, it's not a night and day difference, but pretty big difference, I'd say. Alright, we're going to have more YouTube videos coming in the next week or so. We're going to have some Jordans to get fixed, sneaker collection videos coming up, copper drops, so stay tuned. Subscribe and like the video. CT Cakes.